Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today, August the 26th, the update previews for Windows 10 has been released. The update is KB 5063842, and it's an optional update as it will install only if you check your Windows Update. And if you don't install it, it will install itself with Patch Tuesday of September. So if I look at the update history, it was installed today. As you see, it arrived at the usual time. By the way, if you're on Windows 11 23H2, you're also getting the update. And this is going to be a update for you. Not 24H2 doesn't have the update yet. So cumulative update is here, as you see, KB 5063842. And this is what fixes the bugs, basically. There's also a cumulative update preview that is installed for .NET today. So what's in here? What does it fix? A few things. It will fix an issue that affects certain characters that appear in Windows text boxes. It fixes an issue for simplified Chinese. This update adds a new feature that allows customers using Windows 10 keyless commercial end of support and to block outbound traffic. So this is a feature, basically. There is a multimedia fix where mf.dll would fail to enumerate and redirected web cameras devices on remote desktop services. Fix an issue with narrator not working correctly with Windows Hello on enhanced facial recognition. An issue where the search pane would not show correctly. The preview pane and the File Explorer basically would just show weird. They've also fixed a removable storage access policy that didn't work properly. So things like that. So nothing really front-facing, nothing major. It is the bug fix for the month of August. I always say that probably more and more recommend that you wait for the Patch Tuesday updates to have it installed at the same time for a simple reason. They call it the update previews for the reason that it's if there's a bug or something in there, they'll fix it before Patch Tuesday to make sure that it works well. So this is the famous update for the month of August for bug fixes. That usually comes on week D. And this, of course, will, if you look at your Windows version, send you at 19.045.80 or 82. There are variants, by the way. So it's possible that you're on 6280. It's possible that you would be on 6282 also. Both are good. It's an unusual pace, but both are good when you update to this new version of Windows 10 with the bug fixing updates. Once again, the bug fixing updates that will also be not continuing after the end of support. So this is probably going to be still happening next month, September, and maybe October, but then it's going to be over, I would guess. And even October, I'm not sure. So you'll see what brings the updates, but I do believe that only security updates will continue after the end of support. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.